Doctor Insights.
Hi everyone, so let's unbox this DJI OSMO Mobile SE. It's a smartphone stabilizer, so it comes in such a packing. So it has a 3-axis stabilization, magnetic design, portable and foldable, active track 5.0, easy tutorial, one-step editing, and a quick roll function. The contents in the box is OSMO Mobile the SE main content, the DJI OSMO Mobile magnetic phone clamp model 3, the grip tripod, power cable, a storage pouch, and some documents. So it comes in such a packing. Unbox this. Unbox this. So packing is few instructions about the DJI guide, the clamp, how to mount the clamp to the gimbal. So let's do some. You can see gimbal. The main gimbal. You can see. And this is a magnetic clamp. The camera up, looking up, and this is the tripod stand. Tripod clip. The charging cable, the type C charging cable, USB to type C charging. So this is from this, and this we get the pouch, a small pouch, tiny pouch, some paperwork, guide, etc. That's it. I'll be sharing the setup video in the next. Thank you.